gusto ko pumunta naman tayo sa being a wife. Siyempre, kinikilig na ako agad. Kasi pinsan ko yung pinag-uusapan. How did you guys meet? Oh my God, I love this story.
Do you play games? Kasi I'm a gamer so I play online games. So, kwento-kwento kami. Tapos, after a week, walang paramdamang person. One time, may nag-text, "Hi, Miss Gamer, double M." Yung gamer. Gamer. Tapos tawa na ako ng tawa. Simple word, wrong spelling. Tapos, doon siya tumatak sa akin. Sabi ko, si Nico to. Kasi yung mga conversation namin, puro wrong spelling.
I love you, Nick. Dati po yun, Dati po yun.
Ganun pa rin yun. Ganun pa rin. Pati pangalan ko wrong spelling. Wala!
Your mind and beauty, celebrate you. Your life and story, celebrate you. You'll always be the queen of my heart. I celebrate you. Your wisdom guides me, I celebrate you. Your courage drives me, I celebrate you. Your strength inspires me. Every day is Mother's Day. I love my mother. I love my mother. Glad she's my mother. Every day is Mother's Day. My mother, oh yeah, yeah. My mother, grateful she's my mother. Every day is Mother's Day.
Hello and welcome back to Behind the Scenes with Ina. Ayan, for our next guest, isa rin siyang special tao sa buhay namin because hindi lang siya cousin-in-law ko, but also siya yung nag-serve ng inspiration namin ni Bully throughout our pregnancy journey and motherhood and also parenthood journey. She is also a web designer and developer sa maraming brands and celebrities. I am so excited to share with you my guest, my cousin-in-law, Nona Galvez Pla! Hi! Nons, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Ayan, Non, so basically, alam ko naman napanood mo na yung episode natin. So mag-aasa ko ng questions about you, about your life, and tingnan natin saan tayo mapupunta. So mag-start tayo sa business. Si Nona ay isang web designer and also web developer. When did you start your business?
Okay, I started 2017 when 8 months sila Naya.
Okay.
Yung eldest ko, nag-start ako noon. So parang sabi ko, this is my passion. Why not make it a business? Ganyan. Kasi before that, I've been to a lot of jobs. Kasi ako naman, parang I'm adventurous and everything. I've tried to be a casino dealer, ticket seller. So I became a teacher as well. I became a college instructor.
Oh, wow. Di ko alam yun
Talaga?
Di ko alam yun
Yes. So, yun. Tinutulong ko is web development. So, sa AMA in Pampanga. After that, sabi ko, hindi ako tumatagal So, parang 3 months, 1 sem, 2 sems. Tapos, hindi ko kaya na may boss. So, sabi ko, why not became my own boss?
Yes.
So, that's where I created my own brand, Nona Design.
So, when you started, parang, yun nga, sabi mo, passion mo siya. Pero sobrang hirap ng web design. Kasi pag nakikita ko yung mga stories mo, kahit ngayon, parang, grabe, hindi ko kaya yung mga codes, yung mga ganyan.
Yeah.
So kung how long you've been in the industry of web design since 2017, tama?
No, actually, 11 years old pa lang ako. Mahilig na ako sa web design. So, mahilig na ako mag-code talaga.
Wow!
Yes.
At 11?
Yes. I was, first year high school. Yes, first year high school. And then, ayun, parang lagi ko siya namimiss Mahilig ako mag-code. Gusto ko na yung brain cells ko and everything.
Grabe, ang lalim nun.
Ayun. Pero yung in-start ko yung business ko na 2017. Pero 2012 pa lang, nag-accept na ako ng
nag-web design
yes,
ka
as a freelancer talaga.
Marami ka ng brands, marami ka ng celebrities. Is it okay to share a few for us to know kung ano yung mga nagawa mo ng project?
I've created...
Samin, Radiant.
Yeah,
Radiant Lux.
Yes. Actually, I've created Ivana Skin. That's owned by Miss Ivana Alawi. So that was referred to me by my another client, Luna by Drake Dustin.
Kasi friends sila.
Yes. Endorser siya.
Yes.
Si Ivana and good friends din sila. So I'm very thankful for that. As well as Jeans Eyewear. So it's worldwide brand.
International.
Yes. So
marami kang international brands din, di ba?
actually, I'm focusing on local brands kasi I want to help Filipinos na mga merchants to create a website for their businesses. So
Yun, gusto ko lang din i-share nun. Parang I think it's about time that we support local. Like even with Radiant, isasama ko lang. The reason why we also support local goldsmith, we support local business, so local items. So alam mo yun, I think it's a good talaga na we support local kasi syempre mamahalin natin yung sarili natin, di ba? Yung sarili natin.
Yes, they always said that the money came from outside the Philippines. Mas malaki ang pera.
Mas malaki ang pera
sa ibang bansa. But for me kasi, if you know your worth and you know what you can do, money is not the problem, di ba?
It's
the budget
the skills that matter.
So parang I want to help local,
Gusto ko lang i-share also. Kasi yun nga, lagi ko nakita yung post mo. Nakita ko, may isang post ka na sobrang ganda nung kalahati ng drawing. Tapos, yung isa parang doodle lang.
Yeah.
Parang, if you want quality work, then you have to pay for quality work. Not all the time. Kung gusto mo mura. Kumbaga, I understand that concept. Kasi like kami kasi ni Nona, I am also working with her, with Radiant, and then also, marami pa kaming projects. So, we really have to respect the boundary of being like cousin-in-laws and also being yung hat namin as business partners or collab. Alam mo yun? So alam ko mahirap. So, what are the struggles na mga naranasan mo as a web designer?
Struggle? Siguro yung pag-isip ng design. Kala kasi ng tao, drag and drop lang yung pag-design.
Kumbaga, ito gusto namin, ikaw na bahala. Hindi ganun
so
yun.
ilatag mo lang yung products and everything. Ako kasi, iniisip ko talaga what's good for the brand. Nag-iisip ako for how many days. So, anong design ba yung bagay dito? Pero may time naman na when I'm talking to the client, alam ko na yung design na gagawin ko. Siguro, yun nga, yung pag-iisip mo ng design. Kasi pag hindi nagustuhan ni client, paano na? Pero yung naman doon, yung masaya doon, unang pakita mo pa lang ng draft ng design is, I love it, I love you so much. Yun yung mga sabi ng client. So, I'm thankful, I knew you, yung mga ganong eksena. So, parang...
Kaya sabi ko noon, I like the way you work because, like me, as I said, we're cousin-in-laws. We have a different relationship. And when I send you my proposal for the show or for Radiant, I always respect nga our boundaries when it comes to business. Kaya na-appreciate ko lang na marunong tayo nun.
Yes,
diba
I'm thankful for that actually.
Kasi ako, kagaya nun, nung prinesend ko sa'yo na gusto kong gumawa ng website para sa BTS, gusto ko ganito. Nung nabasa ko yung proposal mo, nung balik nung proposal ko, I was like, oh, wait, she has a point. She will not do it for you dahil kailangan niya ng money. It's more of, I'm doing the same effort to this project. So you have to exert the same effort as me. And sayang kung saglit lang. So talagang long term siya. So hindi rin madali magkaroon ng website. Kaya gaya nun, last year kami nag-website for Radiant. And continues pa rin. She still guides me. So hindi talaga magdali maging web designer. Alam ko, sobrang hirap. But what makes you so successful as a web designer now?
Thank you. Well, actually, kasi nung nag-start ako, that's a very hard part. Kasi I need to message merchants from
Kailangan
Instagram.
Kailangan po natin kapalan ng mga mukha natin.
Yes.
Sa business.
Ang mindset ko that time is, kasi sa Instagram ako So sabi ko, there's a lot of people selling on Instagram.
Yes.
So why not offer them a website? So website makes you legitimate, makes you a professional and everything. So I sent messages to merchants on Instagram. I've been doing that for 3 years. So, yung iba talaga nagre-response and nagpapagawa ng website. Pero now, I'm saying that I'm successful because, the merchants are looking for me na.
Yes.
Hindi na yung ako yung nagme-message. So, sobrang happy and hindi naman sa pagmayabang, but I'm the first Filipina Shopify expert.
Wow! Grabe! Congratulations!
That's worldwide, kasi sa
Yes.
Philippines, no? May directory kasi si Shopify na listed all the partners na mga experts, no?
Yes.
So, ako lang yung only Filipina. So, that's my, pride. So, parang,
Wow.
okay.
Nakaka-proud.
Yes, thank you. So, ayun, and most of the people telling me I'm the Shopify queen, blah, blah.
Wow.
So,
Why not? Why not declare it?
so, yeah, ayun, ano naman, consistency kasi talaga. So, parang siguro the whole month wala kang project. Pero there's another month, there's another day, di ba?
Yes. You have
Kailangan mo
every
lang
day naman to like try. Talaga totoo yun. When you're starting a business, sorry, pero kailangan makapal yung mukha mo. Like what you did, ganun din yung style. Kasi kapag hindi mo propose yung sarili mo or ilapit sa tao, paano malalaman ng tao yung tungkol sa'yo, di ba?
Pero that's the thing kasi hindi mo kailangan pagmayabang yung sarili mo.
Yes,
Ipagmayabang mo kung ano yung kaya mong gawin for them.
Your abilities that you can, or you can share with. Gusto ko pumunta naman tayo sa being a wife. Siyempre, kinikilig na ako agad. Kasi pinsan ko yung pinag-uusapan. I want a quick love story about you and your husband, my cousin, Nico Play.
Paano ba? Kung paano kami nagkakilala, ganyan.
Doon muna. How did you guys meet? Oh my God, I love this story. Alam mo,
Konti lang yung may alam, no?
Yes,
Kasi gusto namin, sa 10th year anniversary namin, isabihin.
okay. Ay,
Malapit
sorry.
naman na. Pero bells. Well, actually, pag iniisip ko kasi kinikilig ako. So, lagi namin binabalikan ni Nick yun actually. Pag nagda-drive, long drive.
Tulog,
Ganun. Ayun, so eto nga lang nga. So, nagkakilala kami sa Tinder. Well, I just broke up with my ex for 4 years.
Sorry, okay, go.
4 years na kami ng ex ko. So ako, nag-work ako sa Pasay that time, Resorts World. So sabi ko, try ko kaya mag-Tinder. Kasi parang ang saya, parang namimili ka lang ng bags. Tapos swipe ka lang, ganyan. Marami ako what you call that, yung naka-match, ganyan. Tapos ayan, si Nico. Nico, ang payat! Ang payat niya. Naka-mirror pic. Naalala ko yung picture niya noon. So, sabi ko, ako kasi ayoko ng small talks. So, sabi ko, what's
Diretso
your...
agad.
Oo. Target ako, gusto kong matangkad sa akin. Sabi ko, what's your height? Sabi niya, 6'2". Ay, pwede.
Wow,
6'2".
grabe.
Kasi yung mga jowa ko, matangkad pa ako. So, ayun, sabi niya, 6'2". Okay, sabi ko, do you play games? Ganyan. Kasi I'm a gamer So, I play online games, mga MMO, ganyan. So, you play games, ganyan. So, kwento-kwento kami. Tapos, after a week, walang paramdamang person. Binigay ko yung number ko. Kasi natuwa ako sa conversation namin. After a week, sabi niya. Tapos, one time may nag-text, "Hi, Miss Gamer, double M." Yung gamer.
Gamer.
Sabi ko, shit, simple word, wrong spelling. Sabi ko, what? Tapos, doon siya tumatak sa akin. Sabi ko, Gamer? Sabi ko, si Nico to. Kasi yung mga conversation namin, puro wrong spelling.
I love you, Nick. Dati po yun, Dati po yun.
Ganun pa rin yun. Pati pangalan ko wrong spelling.
Hindi na daw. Tama na. Ikaw naman. 4 years na nga kayo. May anak.
So, ayun, sabi niya, "Hi, Miss Gamer." Sabi ko, "Sino? Gamer?" Tapos tawa na ako ng tawa. Sabi ko, ako, masyado ako sa spelling. Kasi parang...
Siyempre, line of business mo din, kailangan maingat.
Yes, saka dati, talagang best in spelling kineme ako.
Wow, mahiya naman ako. Parang ayoko na magsalita.
Sabi ko, iniisip ko, sino kaya to? Si Nico, kasi lagi siyang wrong spelling sa buong conversation namin. So, sabi ko,
You know, sometimes, you will find your perfect partner sa mga bagay na akala mo yung mga qualities na hinahanap mo. Biglang may i-reveal sa'yo na, hindi, ito pala. Yung, diba, kagaya nun, sobrang strict niya sa, diba, perfectionist siya sa mga words and
as a Virgo.
Sino yung napansin niya? Yung taong hindi yon.
Oo. Kasi that time, nag-uusap kami ni Nick. Pero hindi ako ibang kausap. Na like, gusto ko kasing humanap ng professional, goal-driven na person. So that time, 4 silang kausap. Wow, ganda.
Nahiya naman ako.
Siyempre, parang ako naman, parang
You
ayoko
were
ba-
how old that time? Siyempre.
I was 22 yata.
Oh, okay.
So, I'm living my life that time kasi malayo ako sa family,
And
wala akong
also, you're a
jowa.
single, you're one
Only child.
Yeah.
Yes. So, happy-happy
From
lang
Bulacan,
ako.
so you had to go to also, diba? To Manila
Yeah,
to work.
but I'm
Yeah.
staying sa Pasay talaga. Tapos party-party, ganun. So, enjoy lang ako that time. Sabi ko, ayoko muna magjowa, ganyan-ganyan. Kasi gusto ko muna mag-party-party. So,
Nakawala sa parents.
oo.
Gusto mag-party.
Tapos meron ako na-meet before him. Talagang sabi ko, ay, ideal man si person, ganyan. Tapos, nakilala ko si Nick, sabi ko. Yung attention kasi, tapos yung hindi siya into sex, alam mo yun. Kasi more, sa Tinder kasi more on, di ba?
Yun yung, kumbaga parang
Oo.
feeling nila when you look for a partner sa Tinder or whatever dating app, it's all about sex, but it's not. Yeah.
Tapos siya, sabi ko, ay, kakaiba. So, doon siya naiba sa ibang mga kausap ko. So,
naramdaman mo na hindi yun yung hanap niya, parang gano'n.
oo. Pero kasi before that, before ko siya nakamatch, nagsisimba ako sa sa Resorts World. One time, ako lang mag-isa, sabi nung friend ko, ipag-pray mo yung specific kung ano yung gusto mo. So sabi ko, Lord, sana, gusto ko na matangkad. Puro physical. Matangkad, magaling sa math. BS math kasi ang person. So sabi ko, gusto ko magaling sa math, nakasalamin, matangkad, tapos makakasabay sa mga gusto ko. Ganon. So, specific talaga. Hindi ko naman sinabi matalino, basta sabi ko magaling sa math. Sabi ko, magaling sa math. So, ayun.
Bonus na yung matalino.
Tapos di ko din naman sinabing pogi, sabi ko lang din naman matangkad. Nakasalamin, specifically, nakasalamin. Feeling ko kasi sa nakasalamin,
Hindi may expect na sobrang pogi yung binigay ni Lord sa'yo.
Oo, kasi first time ko magjowa na pogi.
I love it.
Ganon.
Ang person, nakahanap ng person.
Na mas matangkad sa person. Iyutang nga. Tapos sabi ko, Lord, eto na ba yun? Sabi kong ganon. So parang, sabi ko, Lord, give me a sign. Habang nagdidil ako sa casino. Sabi ko, Lord, give me a sign na siya na yun. Then nag-break ako. Tumawag ang Nico. Ako pala tumawag sa kanya. Sabi niya, Love, huwag ka na kasi maghanap ng pogi, love. Ha? Wala pang sinasabi, may sinabi ka na. Tapos na-hurt ako. Oo, may kausap pala siyang iba. Pero best friend niya daw.
Wow, love best friend.
Love, di ba? Alam mo naman, so, lahat tinatawag na love, baby, babe.
Malambing talaga
Sobrang
kasi si
lambing
Nico.
kasi. Tapos
Pero
lahat
hindi tama
kinikiss.
yun.
Sabi ko, Lord, tinanong ko lang kung love ko na siya. Ba't mo ko sinaktan? Sabi ko.
Nakaramdam ka ng pain.
Oo.
So, connection mo yung sarili mo.
So, nakaramdam ako ng pain na talagang direkta sa heart. Tapos makipag-break na ako. Sabi ko, ay, 2 weeks pa lang naman kay Rebels tong iba. Hinintay ako hanggang maka-out, 6:30 a.m. Umiiyak ka first. Sinisipong ka ba? Sabi ko, sinisipong ka ba? Love, sorry na. Best friend ko yun. Binlock ko na siya.
Yung best friend binak.
Sabi ko, okay, sige na nga, bigyan natin ng chance. Hindi pa kami nakikita nun
Oo. Tinder pa lang to.
After Tinder, Messenger sa Facebook. Tapos,
May progress.
oo. Tapos yung unang meet namin, Skype. Nagulat ako, sabi ko, ay, ang laki pala niya. Sabi ko, kasi yung picture niya, sexy pa siya.
Hala, scammer.
So sabi ko, ang laki ba? Ay, malaki pala siya. Tapos kasama ko yung friend ko, sabi, ay, laki pala niya. Sabi niya gano'n. Pero ni-enjoy ko yung conversation kasi namin.
Yeah.
Okay siya kausap kasi hindi ako mahilig sa small talks talaga. Siya, may sense naman siya kausap. Pero kahit wala siyang sense, natutuwa ako. Hindi ko alam kung bakit.
Yun talaga yung love eh. Kasi ako, minsan nararamdaman ko yung parang feeling ko wala na akong sense, pero mahal pa lang ako ng asawa ko.
Tsaka,
may ganung feeling.
oo, tsaka ayoko ng slow. Mahilig kasi ako mag-joke, pero deep. Tapos di niya ha? Kasi explain ko pa. Sabi ko, labat ganun, di ako naiinis sa'yo. Sabi ko ganun. Kasi ayoko ng talagang
Pag love mo, love.
Sobrang opposite namin. We're meant to be. Kasi sobrang opposite natin sa lahat ng bagay. Which is, makes us perfect talaga for each other.
I believe that. And with your, I can say na oo, parang for me, yung relationship niyo ni Nico is so ideal na nag-look up talaga kami ni Balls. Kasi hindi madali yung pinagdaanan ninyo and going there, story sa pagiging mommy, How was your pregnancy and your motherhood journey? Did you plan having a baby?
It's more on plant.
Plant. Plant. Na-plant, hindi na-plan.
Oo. We're living together kasi for 6 months or more na yata sa Pasig that time. Kasi parehas kami nag-work sa Pasig. So, nasa condo kami. Tapos, okay naman. Sabi ko, ay, yung tagal na, hindi ako nabubuntis. Kasi nagka-calendar ako. So, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos, parang, ang work ko is as a sales executive. So, I go to multiple cities from Mindanao, Visayas. So, that time, 8 days akong wala. So, punta ako ng Cebu, Bacolod, Davao, Iloilo, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos, sabi ko, parang hindi ko nagugusto yung lechon. Favorite ko yun. Sabi ko, wala akong gana. So, sabi nung kasama ko, baka buntis ka na. Tanong mo sa jowa mo kung ano yung reaction niya pag sinabi mong buntis ka. Ganyan-ganyan. So, sabi ko, love, 7 days na ako delayed kasi hindi ako na-delay. Ganyan-ganyan. Tapos, baka buntis ako. Tapos, ayun, positive ang person.
Positive ang person!
That time kasi, hindi ka ready, syempre.
Yes.
Kasi sabi ko
at the age of
23. Sabi ko sa nanay ko, 27 ako mag-aanak.
Yes.
Ay, nag-iisang anak ako. So, mataas
Ang hirap
yung
din,
yung
expectation.
Oo. So, nakilala naman nila si Nick. Trusted naman, ganyan-ganyan. Pero nung unang kita nila kay Nick, sabi niya, wala bang anak yan? Sabi ko, mukha ba may anak yan ni baby?
Sobrang baby. Kung hindi nyo man alam, si Nico sobrang baby ng family namin. Sobrang laki niyang tao. baby namin siya.
Yes.
Talagang isa sa mga inspiration namin ni Bulls, lalo na when it comes to parenthood. Si Nona kasi, sobrang pagmamahal nilang dalawa. Nung pandemic, nagsunod-sunod yung anak. So, 4 yung anak ni Nona. So, how is it? What were your struggles na you have 4 babies? Yung buong pandemic, nagsunod-sunod yung anak ninyo. Paano nyo na-handle ni Nico yung buhay na yon na pandemic and taking care of 3, na umabot nung yung 4th mo kasi medyo wala na yung pandemic. Pero how was it? I know it was super hard. Pa-share naman ako ng experience ninyo.
Okay, so I'll start with the first one, no? Kasi I think that's the hardest because you don't know everything na mangyayari. So yung first, nag-rent lang kami sa apartment. So there was a time na naglalaba ako ng boxers ni Nick. Sabi ko, paano kaya kung hindi siya yung napangasawa ko, naglalaba pa rin kaya ako. Yung mga ganong eksena.
Mga realizations.
So parang postpartum talaga na parang, ang hirap, di mo alam na kung ano yung gagawin. Pero sa second, ay medyo okay na.
Yeah.
So, binrestfeed ko yung first baby ko for 27 months, yung eldest. Yung second one is 1 year yata. So, medyo okay na. Yung third, mas okay. Pero pandemic baby
parang
yung si
madali
Tolly.
na.
Oo. Kasi hanggang 2 yung anak namin, wala kaming kasambahay. Gusto ko, ako lang mag-alaga. Kaso nababaliw na ako kasi nag-work din ako Tapos nung third, pandemic baby, si Laura, si Tolly. Ang hirap, mahirap siya. Pero
Si Nona nga pala, i-share ko lang. Yung 2 anak niya, nanganak siya sa ospital. Yung pangatlong anak niya, sa sobrang takot niya manganak sa ospital, nanganak siya sa lying-in.
Yes.
Yes, si Tolly. So, I think lahat na ng experience ng panganganak, ginawa nito na walang epidural, walang kahit normal and anong klaseng delivery. Kaya, sobrang idol tong babae ko.
Yung fourth ko, unmedicated talaga siya.
Unmedicated.
Dun sa baby boy. Oo. Pero lying in din yun.
Lying in din.
Yes. So, lahat sila normal. Kasi parang na-trauma ako dun sa ospital Kasi with tahi-tahi.
Tapos, yung isolation.
Epidural ka, sobrang sakit.
Yes.
Ganyan. So, parang magle-labor ka, ikaw lang mag-isa.
Yes.
Parang ganun. So, eto, na-witness ni Nick yung hirap ng panganganak ko with third tsaka fourth. So, parang mamaga talaga yung kamay niya. Kasi ayoko na, baby. Tapos umisa pa.
Oo nga Doon ako nagulat Nung nabuntis ako, biglang buntis din to Lagi siyang may kasabay sa pamilya namin na buntis. As in talaga. Walang
Pag may ganap, wala bang gender reveal ngayon?
Nagugulat na lang kami, biglang may announcement, may bago na naman.
Yes.
Dahil pinag-usapan natin yung mga anak mo, siguro before tayo mag-end, this would be my last 2 questions. What's your message muna to your husband?
Siguro, thank you for being who you are. Thank you for your existence. Sobrang thankful ako for you kasi naiintindihan mo ako. Medyo weird ako sometimes eh. So, bigyan na lang ako magagalit out of nowhere. Tapos siya, kalma lang. So, which is good. Pagpatuloy lang natin lahat ng ginagawa natin ever since para, alam mo yun, healthy yung relationship and mahal na mahal kita.
How about message for your children? Lanaya, Laura, Tolly, and Xavier.
Message ko kay Lanaya, kay Laura, kay Liana, and Xavier. Sana lumaki silang may takot sa Diyos. Masunurin sa magulang, mabait sa lahat ng tao. And just do whatever they want as long as they think it's good for them. So, we're just here to support them, whatever they want.
Kung meron kang message sa Nona dati, ano yun?
Message ko sa Nona dati, just keep grinding, keep hustling.
For the future!
Yes, it will be worth it soon.
Yes.
So.
And finally, what are your message or your advice to our mothers who are watching right now?
My advice for mothers, na it's okay to cry, even if you're alone, even if you're with someone. Kasi it's really hard to be a mom, talaga. Especially with single mom, talaga. Kasi, you know, just trust Lord na He will guide you for every day. Everything will be worth it soon. So, just stay happy.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for sharing your story. Natawid natin tong kabado moment. Bago tayo mag-end nun, please promote your website or announcement kung ano mang meron ka mga ganap. I-promote mo ngayon.
If you need web design or developing needs for your business, I'm here to help you. You know, my goal is, you know, to earn you while you're sleeping. So,
yan ang slogan niya. You will earn while you're sleeping. Who doesn't want that?
Yes! And websites market you 24/7.
So what's your website? Saan ka nila mahanap? Your Instagram, your social media?
So, I'm active on Instagram, Nona Designs. And I have a website, so you can check my portfolio, nonadesigns.com. You can find everything there. So,
thanks, Nons. Alam mo, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa'yo kasi hindi ko man ma-share na si Nons talaga, isa siya sa mga mini-message ng asawa ko when it comes to motherhood. Kasi syempre parang, kasi nag-guide siya ng mommy niya, ng mommy ko. Pero siguro yung generation natin ngayon, naghahanap rin tayo na kung sino yung similar situation. And si Nona and Nico, yung isa sa mga ina-idolize namin when it comes to taking care of their children and how they handle being parents. So, maraming salamat. You continue to inspire us. Not only us, the whole family. And I think also the people around you. It's not easy to take care of four toddlers. Yung isa pa lang, alam mo yung sinabi ko kay mami to, yung isa nga ang hirap. So, nakakabilib. Thank you, Nons, for your time. Please support Nona. And before we end, I would like to thank our following sponsors, Spotlight Cosmetics. Ayan, para sa giveaway ng ating guest. Thank you, Nons. This is from Denise and Spotlight. Thank you. Purple Walk for our food. Makeup by Chardy for our hair and makeup. 1920 by Studio Manila sa aming studio today. And of course, my production team, AAA Digital Company and Studio Manila. And of course, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa lahat ng mga next episodes and mga updates namin sa Behind the Scenes with Ina. Thank you again, and this is Behind the Scenes with Ina. Thank you!
You're so much to you and so I celebrate you. Your mind and beauty, celebrate you. Your life and story, celebrate you. You'll always be the queen of my heart. I celebrate you. Your wisdom guides me, celebrate you. Your courage drives me, celebrate you. Your strength inspires me. It's Mother's Day here. I celebrate you. Your mind and beauty, I celebrate you. Your life and story.